Welcome to our channel. This the third and last video on what to look for when thinking to purchase a motor vehicle. We begin this video discussing how to evaluate insurance costs. When it comes to buying a car, there are many factors to consider. One of the most important aspects that often gets overlooked is evaluating insurance costs. Getting insurance quotes for the car you have in mind and considering its potential impact on insurance premiums can save you from any surprises down the road. Get insurance quotes for the car. Before finalizing your decision on a car, it's crucial to get insurance quotes specifically for that model. Insurance rates can vary significantly depending on the make, model, and year of the vehicle. By obtaining quotes from different insurance providers, you can compare prices and find the most affordable option for you. Consider the car's potential impact on insurance premiums. Not all cars are created equal when it comes to insurance premiums. Some vehicles may be more expensive to insure due to various factors such as higher theft rates, expensive repair costs, or a history of accidents. Certain car features can also affect insurance premiums. For example, sports cars or high-performance vehicles tend to have higher insurance rates due to their increased risk of accidents. But cars with anti-lock brakes and airbags could allow for insurance premium discounts. When evaluating insurance costs, also take into account the car's age. Older cars generally have lower insurance premiums since they have lower market values. However, if the car is a classic or antique, insurance costs may differ due to their unique nature. By considering the potential impact on insurance premiums before buying a car, you can make a more informed decision and avoid any financial surprises. Remember to get insurance quotes specific to the car you have in mind and factor in the car's features, age, and potential risks. With insurance costs evaluated, you are one step closer to finding the perfect car that not only suits your needs but also fits within your budget. Stay tuned for more tips on what to look for when purchasing a car. Research the car's resale value. When it comes to buying a car, one aspect that often gets overlooked is the vehicle's resale value. Understanding the resale value of a car is essential, as it can impact your financial decisions in the long run. In this section, we will explore two key factors to consider when researching a car's resale value: depreciation rates and demand popularity. Look for depreciation rates. One of the major factors that determine a car's resale value is its depreciation rate. By researching a car's depreciation rate, you can gain valuable insights into how its value will hold up over the years. When evaluating depreciation rates, consider factors such as the car's make, model, and year. Generally, luxury vehicles tend to depreciate at a higher rate compared to more affordable options. Additionally, certain brands have a reputation for holding their value better than others. By analyzing these factors, you can make a more informed decision about which car will provide a better return on investment in the future. Check for high demand and popularity. Another crucial aspect to consider when researching a car's resale value is its demand and popularity in the market. Cars that have a high demand and are popular among buyers tend to retain their value better over time. This is because a popular car will have a larger pool of potential buyers, which can drive up its resale price. To determine a car's demand and popularity, you can rely on various sources such as online forums, consumer reviews, and market trends. Look for vehicles that consistently receive positive feedback and have a strong following. These indicators suggest that there will be a higher demand for the car in the future, making it a wiser investment. In conclusion, researching a car's resale value is a critical step in the car buying process. By understanding the depreciation rates and checking for high demand and popularity, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals. Remember, a car is more than just a means of transportation. It is an investment that deserves careful consideration. Consider the practicality and space. When it comes to choosing a car, practicality and space are important factors to consider. Whether you're a busy parent, a frequent traveler, or simply someone who values comfort and convenience, evaluating cargo capacity and assessing passenger comfort are crucial steps in finding the perfect vehicle to meet your needs. Evaluate cargo capacity. One of the first things you should consider is the cargo capacity of the car you're interested in. Think about your lifestyle and the things you need to transport on a regular basis. Do you have a large family with strollers, sports equipment, or groceries to haul around? Or maybe you're an adventure enthusiast who needs ample space for camping gear or outdoor equipment. Look for cars with spacious cargo areas that can accommodate your needs. Consider the size and shape of the trunk or cargo space, as well as any additional storage compartments or features that can help you organize your belongings. Don't forget to check if the seats can be folded down to create even more cargo space when needed. Assess passenger comfort. Passenger comfort is another crucial aspect to consider when looking for a car. After all, you and your passengers will be spending a significant amount of time inside the vehicle, so it's important to ensure everyone can relax and enjoy the ride. Pay attention to the seating arrangements and consider the number of passengers you typically carry. Look for cars that offer ample legroom, headroom, and comfortable seating options. Adjustable seats, lumbar support, and climate control are additional features that can enhance passenger comfort. Think about the overall layout and design of the interior. Are there enough cup holders, storage compartments, and charging ports to keep everyone's belongings organized and easily accessible? Don't overlook the importance of a well-designed and comfortable interior when making your decision. By evaluating cargo capacity and assessing passenger comfort, you'll be well on your way to finding a car that suits your practical needs and provides an enjoyable driving experience. Remember to keep these factors in mind as you continue your search for the perfect vehicle. Consider the practicality and space when choosing a car. Evaluate cargo capacity to meet your hauling needs. Assess passenger comfort for a relaxed and enjoyable ride. Remember, finding the right car is about more than just looks and performance. It's about finding a vehicle that can accommodate your lifestyle and provide the comfort you deserve. Research the car's reliability. When buying a car, one of the most important factors to consider is its reliability. After all, no one wants to end up with a vehicle that constantly breaks down or requires expensive repairs. To ensure that you make a wise purchasing decision, it's crucial to thoroughly research the reliability of the car you're interested in. In this section, we will explore two key aspects of researching a car's reliability: finding reliability ratings from trusted sources and looking for common issues or recalls. Find reliability ratings from trusted sources. Before making a final decision on a car, it's essential to consult reliable sources that provide accurate and comprehensive reliability ratings. These ratings are based on various factors, such as the frequency of repairs, the severity of issues, and owner satisfaction. By considering multiple sources, you can gain a more holistic view of a car's reliability. Some of the most trusted sources for reliability ratings include J.D. Power. J.D. Power conducts extensive surveys and studies to assess the dependability of vehicles. Their ratings are widely recognized and can provide valuable insights into a car's long-term reliability. Consumer Reports. Consumer Reports is known for its unbiased and detailed reviews. They conduct thorough testing and collect data from millions of car owners, making their reliability ratings highly reliable. CarComplaints.com. This website allows car owners to report complaints about their vehicles. By analyzing the data from these reports, CarComplaints.com provides an overview of common issues and helps identify potential reliability problems. When researching reliability ratings, be sure to look for consistent patterns across different sources. This will help you form a more accurate picture of the car's reliability and make an informed decision. Look for common issues or recalls. In addition to reliability ratings, it's crucial to investigate any common issues or recalls associated with the car you're interested in. Identifying these problems beforehand can save you from future headaches and unexpected expenses. To find information about common issues, you can visit online forums and communities dedicated to the specific make and model of the car. These platforms often have discussions about common problems experienced by owners. Read customer reviews on websites such as Edmunds or Cars.com. Pay attention to any recurring complaints related to reliability issues. Check the manufacturer's website or contact their customer service to inquire about any recalls or known issues with the car. By researching common issues or recalls, you can assess the potential risks and decide if the car's reliability meets your expectations. Remember, thorough research into a car's reliability is essential for a successful car purchase. By consulting reliable sources for reliability ratings and investigating common issues or recalls, you can make an informed decision and increase your chances of owning a dependable vehicle. Consult a mechanic. One of the most crucial steps you should not ignore is consulting a mechanic. A mechanic can provide expert advice and guidance to ensure you make an informed decision. In regards to this, we will discuss two key aspects of consulting a mechanic. These are getting a pre-purchase inspection and seeking professional advice. Get a pre-purchase inspection. Before finalizing your decision to buy a car, it is essential to get a pre-purchase inspection done by a qualified mechanic. This inspection involves a thorough examination of the vehicle's condition, including its mechanical, electrical, and structural components. By conducting this inspection, you can uncover any potential issues or hidden problems that may not be apparent to an untrained eye. A pre-purchase inspection will reveal crucial details about the car's overall health and maintenance history. The mechanic will check for signs of accidents, flood damage, engine problems, and any other potential red flags. This inspection will give you peace of mind, knowing that you are investing in a reliable and safe vehicle. Seek professional advice. In addition to getting a pre-purchase inspection, it is also advisable to seek professional advice from a trusted mechanic. A skilled mechanic can provide valuable insights and recommendations based on their expertise and experience. They can help you understand the pros and cons of different car models, engine types, and maintenance costs. When consulting a mechanic, be sure to provide them with as much information as possible about your needs and preferences. They can then guide you towards the best options that align with your requirements and budget. Their advice will help you make a well-informed decision and avoid any potential pitfalls. Remember, a mechanic's professional opinion can be invaluable when it comes to assessing the overall condition and reliability of a car. They can identify any underlying issues that might not be visible during a test drive or initial inspection. By seeking their advice, you can minimize the risk of purchasing a vehicle that could turn into a money-draining headache down the road. By following these two steps, getting a pre-purchase inspection and seeking professional advice from a mechanic, you can ensure that you make a wise investment in a car that meets your needs and provides you with reliable transportation. In conclusion, by keeping these 15 things in mind, you can make an informed decision and find a car that meets your needs and preferences. Remember to thoroughly research and test drive any potential vehicles, consider your budget and financing options, and pay attention to the car's condition and history. Additionally, don't forget to factor in ongoing maintenance costs, insurance rates, and fuel efficiency. By being thorough and diligent in your search, you can avoid potential pitfalls and find the perfect car for you. Thank you for watching our videos. We hope you have learned some very important information in them. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Happy car hunting!